Hi everybody, I'm going to be showing you how to make slime. So the ingredients you'll need are a Tupperware, so you can put the slime in afterwards, a bowl and a spoon, shaving cream, food colouring, contact solution, and glue. If you don't have contact solution, it's fine, you can make it without contact solution. Okay, so first I'm going to start by pouring the glue in, if I can. And this is like, so you can put as much glue as you want, like it depends on how much slime you want. So I'm just going to put a tiny bit. It's quite a lot, but you know. So then you take your shaving cream. Oh, flip.
Just shake it.
Oh dear. It's on me!
It's okay. Keep shaking, keep shaking. Okay.
This can be messy, so that's why you always put newspaper.
Okay. Alright, I think that's about as much as you're going to be able to do.
It's getting there. It's all bubbly. Okay, I'm shaking. Oh my gosh. Okay. And then you just give that a good old mix. And you can also, as you're mixing, you can also put shaving cream, or you could just leave it, put more shaving cream. Don't worry if it gets on you, just, you don't need to panic. But it's not toxic if it gets on your skin, but it is toxic if you eat it, so don't eat it. Ugh.
Okay, you're running, baby, over time, so you need to get moving with the next step.
Okay. So then, if you want, you can add some color. Don't add too much because that will lead terribly. You can also use acrylic paint for the color. That was a bit much. But, you know, it's slime. This is a DIY, so nobody actually panic. It's okay. Okay, so it's all watery at the moment, so you just, how does this thing work? So contact solution, so you use quite a bit, like, you just, if you need contact solution, I would recommend it, you put it a little bit at a time. Like you can see, it makes it more, like it makes it like this, so like thicker. If it gets like this, then you can always just add more shaving cream to make it fluffy. This is looking terrible. Okay, so let's pick it up. Not the best slime, like it's quite. I am failing, but it's fine because this is like, it's not the first time, but this is the first time that it's actually ended up like this. And also, you can also put it in the freezer for like 2 minutes. Like, just keep doing that if it gets like this. Oh my gosh. So
Okay,
yeah.
I think you're out of time.
Bye!
Alright. Just
Goodbye.
keep mixing, keep mixing.
Mother, stop